Couple questions we get quite often. First and foremost, how do I prevent this cap from getting stuck on? One of the amazing properties about Bona glue is that it doesn't stick to plastic. However, these tubes are not plastic. So if you happen to get glue on here, it can actually get stuck. And so what happens is this doesn't start to come off until you have a vice grip. But honestly, if you've had issues with that in the past and you're trying to avoid that, you can actually put some petroleum jelly around this edge. That's going to prevent the glue from sticking. And then you'll never have to worry about vice gripping off the top of your caps. So that's one way to save on caps. Obviously, the gun itself fits the Bona sausages quite well. Put the cap back on. We do get a lot of questions about what's the best way to go about this. Sometimes snipping off the top is very kind of messy. So what you can do is you can actually just take a knife and just kind of poke a couple holes and that on the top. And then when you actually push the tube forward, the glue comes out into the thing and it actually eliminates a big mess of glue right around there. You're going to get several of these inside of the case that comes with the gun, along with you're going to get 12 in every case of sausages that you do. We typically only recommend the clear plastic ones. Cut it a quarter of the way down and get just a nice little, notch at the top. That's all you really need. You can use the bigger ones if you want to. They are harder to cut. They also are great for capping the glue if you wanted to just put a cap on top of the glue. But obviously just pulling back and releasing some of the pressure stops that glue from flowing out. So if you've ever had it to where you're putting in a board, small replacement boards or whatever, and then all of a sudden the glue just keeps pouring out, obviously just release the pressure on the back end of the gun. That stops that from happening. Another fun thing about the sausage gun that most people don't know is that it can actually fit our vertical tube. So I'm going to show you how to do that right now. So first off, we would take our sausage out. We're going to put our cap on just right now, but easier to do is to actually undo the entire tube. And then what you're going to do is you're going to actually flip this cap around completely. So loosen the nut on top. Ideally, you would move this nut up a little bit higher, but then you're just going to flip this part around, put back on your washer and your nut, and now the back end of this actually fits into the back part of the vertical, and you can actually use the vertical tubes in our sausage guns. And so this becomes a vertical gun or it becomes a sausage gun. Ideally, you would have two, one for your vertical if you are doing a lot of vertical jobs, and another one for your sausages so you don't have to flip. But if you are stuck on a job, you can easily convert it from one to the other. One of the biggest complaints when vertical is it's really hard to use on the very cheap frame caulk guns just because it is so thick. So using one of these guns where there's a lot of equalized pressure versus relying on a weak metal frame, you're actually going to be a lot easier to put out the vertical. It's going to be a lot easier to use, and you're going to have a nice sturdy gun to put it in.